In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow camera access in Microsoft Edge. If a site like a video meeting tool or a web recorder can't see your camera, it's usually just a permission setting, and we'll fix that together in a minute. First, open Microsoft Edge. Give it a second to load and make sure you're looking at the main browser window. Now, go to the website that needs your camera. It's important to load the exact page where you'll be using the camera. Permissions in Edge are set per site, so you'll be allowing access specifically for this site, not for everything you browse. Next, click the Settings menu if you need to, but the quickest path is right from the address bar. Look to the far left of the address bar and click the small lock icon. Depending on your version of Edge, it might be labeled View Site Information. This opens a small panel that shows how the site is connecting and what it's allowed to do. In that panel, choose Permissions for this site. This takes you to a dedicated page for the site's permissions, so you can manage everything in one place. When you click it, Edge opens a new tab with a list of all available permissions for the site, things like location, microphone, notifications, and of course, the camera. Find Camera in the list. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down and select Allow. This tells Edge that this site is trusted to access your camera whenever it needs to. If you prefer being asked each time, you could choose Ask, but to follow this walkthrough, select Allow so it works automatically. Once you've changed the setting, go back to your original tab with the website and reload the page. A quick refresh applies the new permission. After the reload, try starting your video or opening the camera tool on the site. You should see your camera feed appear. If you still don't see the camera, double-check you're on the same site you just allowed and that you refreshed the correct tab. Also make sure no other app is actively using the camera in the background, which can block the browser. Occasionally, camera devices have a physical privacy shutter. Make sure it's open. That's it. You've allowed camera access in Microsoft Edge, scoped only to the site you chose, and you can come back to these permissions anytime through the lock icon and the permissions for this site page. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.